Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust brightness, contrast and sharpness on your Samsung ViewFinity S6. So first of all, we have to reach for the joystick on the back side of the monitor. We can easily access it from the bottom of the monitor. Just press it once to open the OSD menu. Now here we're gonna have to move the joystick up to open the main menu and press it once, and now navigate on the sidebar, moving your joystick upwards or downwards. This way, navigate to picture, press the joystick once. Now here we can first of all select the picture mode. For the picture, to do that, press the joystick once and select the mode that you want to use. And then you can also adjust the brightness, contrast for this selected mode, but we can also do these things separately. Just press your joystick one more time and navigate down to brightness, levelers, contrast, sharpness, color, tint, and the rest of the image adjustment settings. Press your joystick once you highlight one of these options, and then drag it to the right or to the left to either increase or decrease the value respectively. And once you are done here, just move your joystick to the left 2 times to exit this menu. Now that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.